If you want to make a smooth zoom in and zoom out effect in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a clean zoom effect using keyframes, even if you've never edited in CapCut before. This is a super useful technique for making your videos feel more dynamic, more professional, and much more engaging. So if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more CapCut editing tips just like this. Now let's jump right into it. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Once your clip is imported, drag it down onto the timeline so you can start working with it. After that, click on the video clip to select it. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to apply the zoom effect to. Now move the playhead to the exact point where you want the zoom effect to begin. The playhead is that vertical line on the timeline, and placing it carefully helps you control the timing of your animation. With the playhead in the right spot, look over to the right panel and find the scale setting. Next to scale, you'll see the keyframe icon, which looks like a small diamond or symbol. Click that keyframe icon to set your first point. This tells CapCut this is where the clip starts before the zoom changes. Now move the playhead forward to where you want the zoom effect to end. Once you're at the new point, adjust the scale value. If you want to zoom in, increase the scale number. If you want to zoom out, decrease the scale number. As soon as you change the scale, CapCut automatically creates a new keyframe for you. That means the app will smoothly animate between the first and second points. If you want the motion to feel more natural, you can add extra keyframes along the way. For example, you can zoom in first, then continue forward, and then zoom back out by lowering the scale again. This is a great way to create cinematic motion, emphasize a moment in your video, or make your edits look more polished. The key is to keep the movement smooth and not too extreme unless you want a dramatic effect. Once you're happy with the zoom in and zoom out animation, play the clip back and preview it to make sure the timing feels right. If the zoom happens too fast or too slow, just move the keyframes around and fine-tune the scale values until it looks perfect. That's really all there is to it. With just a few keyframes, you can create professional-looking zoom effects in CapCut in seconds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.